किया है कि मैंने अभी यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ नारोवाल जब हमने बनाई तो आई वांटेड दिस टू बी अ सेंटर ऑफ एक्सेलेंस। तो उसका जो फ़न तामीर है वो उंदलस और मुस्लिम स्पेन से हमने इबारत किया और उसका माहौल वही क्रिएट करने की कोशिश की ताकि वहाँ वो रवायत पैदा हो। तो जब उसका पहला कॉन्वोकेशन था तो मैं सोच रहा था कि मैं क्या मैसेज स्टूडेंट्स को दूँ इस हवाले से। तो मैंने थोड़ी सी रिसर्च की तो मेरी हैरत की इंतहा नहीं रही कि जब एक कनाडा की यूनिवर्सिटी ने उस गोल्डन एज के ऊपर एक तहकीकी मकाला लिखा हुआ था जिसमें उसने इस सवाल को जवाब दिया कि उस दौर में मुसलमानों ने हर शुबे में मैथमेटिक्स, फिज़िक्स, अलजेब्रा, एस्ट्रोनॉमी, फ़िलासफ़ी, हर शोबे में वो क्यों इतने नुमायाँ थे। तो वो जो एक्सप्लेनेशन थी वो हमारे लिए लम्हा फ़िक्रिया। उन्होंने कहा कि इसकी एक बड़ी तहरीक या इसकी मोटिवेशन केम फ्रॉम कुरान, क्योंकि कुरान ने इनको मुसलमानों को ये बतलाया है कि अल्लाह इज़ ऑल नोइंग। तो लिहाजा अगर खुदा तक मार्फत हासिल करनी है तो खुदा तक पहुँचने की सबसे मजबूत सीढ़ी इल्म की सीढ़ी है, क्योंकि आप उस ज़ात की मार्फत हासिल करना चाहते हैं हु इज़ ऑल नोइंग। सो लिहाजा नॉलेज इज़ द मोस्ट पावरफुल इंस्ट्रूमेंट या लेडर विच कैन टेक यू टू गॉड। तो लिहाजा ये मुसलसल इल्म की जुस्तजू में रहते थे ताकि ये खुदा की खुदाइयत को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा उसके मुआरिफ हो सकें, वाकिफ़ हो सकें। और फिर उन्होंने कहा कि जो कुरान ने इनको एक
bring support to Pakistan on Kashmir, as well as Pakistan's unconditional support for Azerbaijan on Nagorno-Karabakh conflict stands as a testament to this unwavering friendship. Excellency, it is with great pleasure and profound appreciation that I would like to highlight the significant diplomatic exchanges between Azerbaijan and Pakistan in 2024. The visit of President Ilham Aliyev to Pakistan in July, followed by Prime Minister Shahbaz Sharif's visit to Azerbaijan in November, stands as a testament to deep-rooted friendship and cooperation between our two countries. The frequency of these high-level visits have paved the way for enhanced cooperation in areas such as energy, tourism, and defense, and are a clear signal that Azerbaijan and Pakistan are committed to strengthening our partnership for the benefit of our people and the wider region. Excellency, it gives me immense pleasure today that we are now one step closer to this commitment, as well as we are all gathered here today for the 8th session of Pakistan-Azerbaijan Joint Commission. This forum has played a pivotal role in strengthening the ties between our two countries and has significantly contributed to the growth of bilateral relations, particularly in the areas of investment, education, exchange, and health. Excellency, our two nations have tremendous potential to build on their strategic partnership in trade and investment. At the moment, the volume of trade between us is far below its potential. However, we are making significant strides in improving this, specifically through the landmark preferential trade agreement which was signed in July last year. This agreement serves as a catalyst for boosting bilateral trade, creating new opportunities for business and investors in both nations. As we continue to explore new avenues in increasing the trade volume, it is important to utilize the forum of the Joint Working Group on Trade to work towards implementing the Transit Trade Agreement as well as increasing business to business transactions. I propose that both sides also hold frequent trade exhibitions. We will continue to build a prosperous and mutually beneficial economic relationship. Excellency, Pakistan and Azerbaijan share a growing and strategic partnership in the energy sector, which is crucial for energy security for both nations. Azerbaijan, with its abundant energy resources, offers significant opportunities for future joint ventures with Pakistan, which is seeking to diversify its energy supply and meet the growing demand for power. The sales purchase agreement for the supply of petroleum, oil, and lubricants product between SOCAR and Pakistan State Oil, which has almost been finalized by both sides, represents a significant milestone in this regard. Pakistan has also invited Azerbaijan to participate in the strategic underground gas storage project as well as the white oil pipeline infrastructure project in Pakistan. As both nations continue to expand their energy cooperation, I am hopeful that the Joint Working Group in Energy will play a pivotal role in ensuring sustainable growth, improving energy access, and reinforcing regional energy stability. Excellency, our nations share a strong and evolving defense cooperation, underpinned by mutual interest in safeguarding our sovereignty. Over the years, our two nations have enhanced their collaboration through joint exercises, technology transfer, and enhancing defense capabilities through exchange of expertise to defense equipment. Azerbaijan benefits from Pakistan's experience in defense industry, while Pakistan values Azerbaijan's growing technological know-how. I am hopeful that once we finalize the MOU on cooperation in field of defense industry, we will be able to further our security ties through arms trade, defense infrastructure, and sharing of intelligence. This partnership not only promotes peace and security, but also strengthens the broader strategic relationship between Pakistan and Azerbaijan, contributing to the overall stability of the region. Excellency, as the world reaches unprecedented levels of technological advancement, Pakistan and Azerbaijan are actively exploring new opportunities for collaborations in information technology. Both countries have rapidly developing digital economies, providing a promising market for IT solutions. I would like to highlight that the implementation of the MOU on cooperation in the field of information and communication technologies signed in July 2024 will promote joint ventures and knowledge exchange that inevitably enhance our collective digital capabilities and address the challenges of modern tech landscape. The Joint Working Group on IT also extends this partnership to capacity building, with Pakistan assisting to set up an IT training center in Azerbaijan with the support of Pakistani IT companies and universities. We are hence improving our technological infrastructure together while also laying the groundwork for further economic and technological integration. Excellency, Pakistan and Azerbaijan have deepening their collaboration in the agriculture and food sectors, recognizing the potential to enhance food security, improve agriculture productivity, and boost trade in agriculture products. The Joint Working Group on Agriculture provides an important platform for our two nations to collaborate on the exchange of agriculture knowledge, joint research projects, and development of agro-processing industries. Furthermore, both countries are working to conduct joint research in the fields of cotton, grain, food, and cattle breeding, alongside developing seed breeding and multiplication systems, as well as offering trainings in seed certification and testing. This partnership fosters business-to-business liaison to further enhance bilateral trade activities, promoting economic growth while also ensuring food security and rural development in both nations. Excellency, Pakistan and Azerbaijan have agreed to exchange information on scientific, educational, and health related reforms, which will ensure that we continue to learn from each other's experiences. Moreover, both countries are exploring opportunities to organize joint academic discussions, conferences, and seminars in fields such as higher education, scientific and disease-related research. We will also collaborate on medical research, improve healthcare standards, and exchange knowledge in areas like medical equipment, medical tourism, and public health preparedness. These areas of cooperation are vital for the future of our nations, and I am confident that our joint efforts will yield meaningful outcomes that benefit both Pakistan and Azerbaijan. Excellency, culturally, both Pakistan and Azerbaijan share deep-rooted traditions with common Islamic heritage and mutual appreciation for art, literature, and music. The cultural kinship has helped further the ties between our peoples and consequently boost our cooperation in tourism. Pakistan offers a rich heritage with archaeological sites like Mohenjo-daro, Mughal forts, and tombs of Sufi saints, while its northern areas boast some of the highest mountains peaks in the world. Azerbaijan, one of the fastest growing travel economies, is known for its stunning architectural heritage, the historical landmarks in Baku, and iconic fortresses and mausoleums. I am confident that the joint working group on tourism will allow more meaningful cooperation in tourism, which will in turn foster a deeper sense of brotherhood between us. Furthermore, both countries are working to enhance connectivity by facilitating easier visa procedures and direct flight options, making travel more accessible and contributing to the deepening of Pakistan-Azerbaijan relations. Excellency, it is my pleasure to once again welcome you to Pakistan and express my gratitude for your presence here. I eagerly anticipate productive discussions between the experts of our two countries, which I am confident will serve to strengthen and deepen our bilateral relationship. As we look forward the future, the historic relationship between Pakistan and Azerbaijan will continue to serve as a model of friendship, cooperation, and mutual respect, ensuring that our bonds grow ever stronger in the years to come, inshallah. Thank you very much.
वफाकी वज़ीर दिफ़ा